Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today we discuss about contract costing. Today we discuss contract costing introduction. Our main objective is concept learning. Okay. Contract costing. Can you say how much work has been completed in first image? How much work completed in second image? We can't. This is the new building. This is when architect or surveyor is needed. We can't say, but a surveyor or architect can estimate. Invited and his certificate is to be obtained about how much work has been completed. How much work has been completed. Okay. So now we discuss what is contract costing. What is contract costing? So contract costing is method of costing in cost accounting which is used to collect and identify all the expenses relating to a specific contract. Do you understand? It's a method of costing in cost accounting. The cost accounting contract costing is used to collect and identify all the expenses. Collect and identify all the expenses relating to a specific contract. It is the contract costing. For this purpose, contractor has to maintain contract ledger. What? Contract ledger. Contractor has to maintain contract ledger in which he has to show contract account. Okay. Contract cost. So contract account includes these cost. One is material cost, labor cost, direct expenses, overheads, subcontract cost. That means this contractor may given a subcontract to the part of work or some services, rendering some services. Subcontract cost, extra work cost. So these costs are included in contract cost. Okay. Features of contract costing. Large in size and takes more than 1 year. For completion. That's why we prepare a contract account. So it takes more than 1 year for completion. Large in size. Involves two parties. Contract account involves two parties. Contractor and contractee. Contract executed for a price termed as contract price. So this is the terminology. Contract price. Each contract is a cost unit. This is discussed chapter 1. Expenses get separately recorded and profit too is separately ascertained. Expenses get separately recorded and profit too is separately ascertained. Expenses are chargeable directly to contract account because the contractor may take so many contracts. For example, he takes so many buildings to construct. So each building separately accounted. So that's why the expenses are chargeable directly to contract account. Specialist subcontracts may be employed. Specialist subcontracts may be employed. Okay. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Thank you.